Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your default vehicle in Heartopia. So long press on the car icon over here. There we go. And select the one you want to make default. I'm just going to use this car and then, select this car and I'm just going to press default. And basically whenever I spawn it anywhere, the car will appear instead of the motorcycle, like so. And that is it. Again, you can change your default vehicle. I'm lagging, aren't I? But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!